Vivo is set to unveil the X Fold 6 on June 26 in China, and it has already revealed the smartphone's design. Pre-orders are live on Vivo's official China online store. The company has also released an official unboxing video, giving us a closer look at the foldable's design, the new blue hole color option. The phone will be available in blue hole, salt lake, and polar night shades. A special black gold edition with gold accents will also be available. The Vivo X Fold 6 will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 flagship chipset. The Vivo X Fold 6 is confirmed to feature a 200MP primary rear camera, a big upgrade over the 50MP main sensor on the X Fold 5. A Zeiss APO-certified periscope telephoto camera powered by Sony's LYT602 sensor, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera, alongside dual 20-megapixel selfie cameras, and features an 8.03-inch AMOLED inner display and a 6.53-inch AMOLED cover screen, both with 120Hz refresh rate, up to 4500 nits peak brightness, and HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The Vivo X Fold 6 will house a large 7000 mAh battery, with 80W wired and 40W wireless charging, focusing on camera advancements and refined performance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.